Hello students, this is your Pragasam sir from Math Beyond Marks channel, and this is video number 12 in our series under playlist 2 of class 8 Maths chapter 2 Power Play. In this chapter we are going to see about exponents, where the core concept is base, power and exponents. What are they? And what these things are related to a square and a cube, which is your previous chapter. Those who didn't see that chapter, please go and watch that chapter and come back. Then watching this chapter will be more useful. Shall we go to the concept? Let you see 2 square. In this previous chapter we learned square. 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2, that is 4. Then in the next concept, 2 cube or 3 cube or 4 cube, like that we have seen that 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 into 2 it is 8. So the cube numbers you have seen 1, 8, for 3 27, for 4 64, like that we went. That is only square number and cube numbers. Now the same thing if I write as 2 to the power of 4, what will happen means nothing will happen. It will be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. Then again the answer is 16. This into 2, that is 16. Then 2 to the power of 5 will be 32. 2 to the power of 6 will be 64, like that it goes on. That means this one thing what we are writing here, 2 to the power of 5 equal to 32. Here in 2 to the power of 5 equal to 32, 2 is called the base and 5 is the power, and totally this is exponents. So this is an extension of a square and a cube. Now we are going to read in this chapter about a base, power and exponent. All these three things and their applications we are going to read. Now I will give few more examples. If I write 4 to the power of 3, what is the base in this one? Base is 4, exponent or the power is 3. Power is 3, and this is written as 4 into 4 into 4. This is the exponents, and the value of this one is 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4 is 64. Remember, very important thing, the mistakes what you will do in 2 cube, if you write, don't multiply this one as 2 into 3. This is not 2 into 3. It is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 is the very important. In this chapter, the mistakes often you will be doing is this one. Please remember to that. Next, one more example. 5 to the power of 5. It is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Will it be, do you feel it is very easy to calculate this one? Try. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5, 125. 125 into 5 is 625. 625 into 5. Yeah, it's left to you. You guess the answer because you know multiplication, but how much big? So the numbers here, it doubles every time. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, it doubles every time. But here it is becoming 5 times. One value is 5 becomes 25. 5 times. 25 becomes 125. That is 5 times. Like that it goes on. So now I hope you'll be very clear with what is a base, what is a power, and what are the exponents. Can you say the small number 2 base but the power is 10? Can you guess the answer what this will be? I wrote the small number 2 power 10. Okay, now this you ought write 10 times 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and into 2. I'll write here again in the second row into 2 into 2 into 2. I hope it will be 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 2's are there. Now try to find. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32, into 2 is 64, into 2 is 128, into 2 is 256, into 2 is 512, into 2 is 1024. The answer for this one is 1024. Do you know what is this one? Why I wrote this number and what is the importance of 1024? Yeah, it's playing an important role in this computer itself. For teaching, for doing anything, it is 2 to the power of 10. This, if you write 2 to the power of 10 as bytes, 2 power 10 bytes equal to 1 MB, and 2 to the power of 10 MB equal to 1 GB, and 2 to the power of 10 GB equal to 1 TB, that is 1000. We will call, we would have seen only 1000 approximately, but it is not 1000. It is having more relationship between this with these bits and bytes. So go to that, search for that and learn more professionally. What is the relationship between 2 to the power of 10 bytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes? Still goes on. Okay, all this having relationship. This is the application of this base and power. Is this, that's all? 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. Then what will be 2 to the power of 20? 2 to the power of 20. Will it be 1024 into 10 or 1024 into 1024? Yes, it is 1024 into 1024. The same manner, can you guess 3 power 10? Can you guess 5 power 10? It's not. Then how these are all going to be used in mathematics? Let us see. What are the things going to happen in future? Let us see one by one. Now you know what is meant by a base, you know what is a power, exponent, and what is 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 5, 2 power 10, 3 power 10, 5 power 10, like that. All the meanings you know, but the values you know are limited. Don't try to multiply all those things immediately. Just now you have seen 2 to the power of 10 equal to 1024. I asked one question. Can you guess how much will be 2 to the power of 20? I said to multiply 1024 into 1024. Yeah, it will be like that only. 2 power 10 into 2 power 10. Is it true? I don't know. 1024. For this I am going to give the explanation in future. Why this I am multiplying 2 times. Here power 20 is there. If I multiply this 10 into 10, will it be okay? Okay, let me see. Now the answer is 10, 4, 8, 5, 7, 6. 10 lakhs 48,576. Is it interesting? Yes, it's interesting. Such a big number we are getting. Will it be correct? Yeah, 4 4s are 16. This must be correct, but what our multiplication? Let me see. Now what about 3 to the power of 10? What will be this one? Can you guess it? 3 power 3 means 27. 3 power 4 means 81. 3 power 10. 81. 3 to the power of 4 is 81, but power 10 will go to 59,049. How much big jump? Just like that is going away. Okay, 3 to the power of 10 is 3 into 3 into 3 up to 10 times. If you write and multiply 3 into 3, then the answer is 59,049. Shall I say the value for 3 to the power of 20? Can you at least imagine what that number will be? Yes, 3, 4, 8, 6, 7, 8, 4, 4, 0, 1. Small. That's all. How much? Read it. Thousands, lakhs, crores, more than it grows. 348 crores, 67 lakhs, 84,401. It is for 20. Can you imagine for 25, 30, 40 like that? Are you surprised to see these results? Yes, wait and watch. What are the things, what are the applications of this and all we'll see in future. We are going to see the applications in the next video. Wait for the next video. In that we are going to see few more examples or next concept and next concept, like that it goes on. Are you able to understand now? Just multiplication. Then for this, so many shortcut methods will be there. Should be there or not? Is it necessary to multiply all these things? Will you go on sitting and calculating by multiplying all the numbers? It is 2, 3 itself. This means suppose the number is 7, 8, 9 like that. How it will be? You cannot imagine at all. Such a big numbers these are all. Okay? Yes. I hope you would have liked this video. If you like, please subscribe to this channel and follow whatever the videos I am posting. Try to watch all the videos and pass on the information to your friends also. Wait for your next video. Until then, it's bye from Prakasam sir.